Hi, my name is Miss Heidi, and for today's craft we're making reindeer finger puppets. The supplies we need for this craft are glue, googly eyes, a red bell, scissors, round construction paper, and 2 clothespins. First, we're going to take the brown paper and we're going to cut a circle. I have mine right here, and then you'll have your parent cut 2 circles within the circle at the lower part of the bigger circle. And then we're going to make his face. And we'll glue the bottom part of it to the circle. Just push down. And I'm going to put his googly eyes on. Put them close together. And then we're going to make his ears. Kind of put him in the corner. And then anything red, I picked a bell, but you can use anything you want. For his nose. And then we're going to take the clothespins and we're going to put them up top. For his antlers. I'll mess with your ears a little bit. It's okay. Here's our reindeer finger puppet. We hope you enjoyed today's craft. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.